I'm discussing now June 2017 and 11 variant, question number 7. So have a look here. So first two terms of AP are 1624. It means T1, T2 is this mentioned. At the final least number of the terms of the progression which must be taken for their sum exceed 20,000. Exceed means Sn is bigger than 20,000. So we have to find out that least number. Okay, so have a look that how we can find it. Best technique, how to find common difference. All of you know T2 minus T1. So 24 minus 16. So I get 8. And according to plan, Sn value is bigger than 20,000. Apply formula n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula, you know it very well. Okay, 20,000. So n value I don't know. And this 2 and 2a, a is 16. And n I don't know again. And common difference is 8. I can do without inequality sign. And when finished, then I bring inequality sign. But this makes question easier. Anyway, so this multiply inside, when multiply this inside, what happens? 2 cancel out and I get 16n. When this 2 multiply inside, this cancel it 4, I get a 4 and n and times to n minus 1 bigger than 20,000. I believe up till here, okay. Now for n, sorry, this is 16n plus 4n to power 2 minus 4n and bring 20,000 and this end, I get this form. 4n to power 2 and this solve together, I get a 12n and minus 20,000. Okay, and I think so, maybe it's not factorizable. I have to apply quadratic formula. If I apply quadratic formula, what answer we show once to examiner, and I get what here, or let me check, maybe it is a fact. Okay, no problem. We can apply quadratic formula. Minus b square minus 4a into c and by 2a. After showing, you can write directly answers. And if I type it in my calculator, and let me type it, minus 12. Okay, this is in the root 12 square minus, it become plus, sorry, and 16 times 2, 20,000. This is coming, actually it's coming negative 12 plus and minus 565.812 by 8. Now I will solve it, minus 12 plus 565.812 and divided by 8. So I get first answer is 69.2265. And second answer, let's see what answer I get it. Negative 12, negative 565.812 and divided by 8. And answer is coming negative 72.2265. This 100% ignore. Why? Because n cannot be in fraction, not in decimal, not in negative number. So this is the chances are there. But hold on, this value is bigger than that. It means if I draw a number line here, this is coming here 69.2269 and here 70, here we have a 69. So from here bigger, and naturally because this n value bigger, so bigger than this, so it means bigger than this. So first number which come after this number is 70 because he said that bigger. So it means n answer is 70. This is my final answer because he said that least number, he said least number, which is, although there are many numbers after that, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, million, trillion undefined numbers are there. But with the least number in this arrow is 70. So this is my final answer for part 1. And let's go for part number 2. Geometric progression has a first term 6 and sum infinity 18. Okay, let's start. 6, 18, B part. Okay, let's see. Repeat again. Is asking first term 6 and sum infinity is 18. Okay. So let's see how we can apply. Sum infinity formula, all of you know, A upon 1 minus R. I plug in 18 here and A value here. In this way, I can get easily R value. Okay, 1 minus R goes there and 6 by 18. And onwards, 1 minus R equal to 1 by 3. And R value becoming 2 by 3. So 1 minus 1 over 3. So it is becoming 2 by 3. So it's clear, R is 2 by 3. But what a question he's asking here. Let's start. He said first term is he said that a new geometric progression is formed by squaring each term of the original progression. Find sum of the all infinity of that term sequence. So it means, first of all, I need to find this sequence. What is the first sequence? A. How to get second term? You know, into R. You got an AR. How to get next term? Into multiply R. I get an AR to power 2. So let's see what answer first term come. First term, you know, it's very clear. A6. Second term, AR. So 6 times 2, 1 over, sorry, this is 3. So 6 into that is very clear. 6, wait a minute. 2 divided by 3 into 6, it give you 4. And then again 4 multiplied with that. So it become 8 by 3. This is a very clear approach. This is our original geometric progression. I repeat. First term is 6, I copied. Then I multiply this 6 with a common ratio, as I said before, and then I can proceed. Wait a minute, please. 4 into 2 by 3. Yes, correct. It is correct. So let's see now. He says the new progression is what? New progression. So new progression, we can say here is square the number. So square, square, square. I get 36. I get 16. I get 64 by 9 and dot, dot, dot. In this sequence, first term is 36 and common ratio is what? 16 over 36. And 16 over 36 giving us 4 over 9. It means what we've done, common ratio is also squared. Okay, so now how to find some infinity is a very clear approach, A over 1 minus R. So first number is 36 and 1 minus 4 over 9. And some infinity is coming, is very clear approach, 1 minus 4 divided by 9. And then 36 divided by the answer I got here 324 over 5. Or write in fraction decimal form, it is coming 64.8. Both answers are correct. You can write any one form. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin, I believe you got a